Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Framed.io for review notes and version tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Framed.io for review notes and version tracking, begin by logging into your Framed.io account. Navigate to the project you wish to activate this feature for. Click on the project settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the project dashboard. In the settings menu, find the review tab and click on it. Ensure that the Review Notes option is enabled. This will allow team members and clients to leave comments directly on your video files. Next, look for the version tracking section within the same settings menu. Enable the version tracking feature to keep a record of all video updates. Once activated, every time you upload a new version of a video, Framed.io will automatically save the previous versions. Go back to the project dashboard and upload your first video. After uploading, select the video to open it in the media player. Here, you can invite collaborators by clicking the Invite button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of your team members or clients to send them invitations. Once they accept, they should be able to access the video and leave review notes. To view notes, click on the Comments panel while watching the video. You can reply to comments or resolve them once they are addressed. To compare different versions, navigate back to the project dashboard. Select the video you want to review, then click on the Versions tab. Here, you will see a list of all uploaded versions. Choose the versions you wish to compare side by side. This creates an efficient environment for tracking changes and gathering feedback. Familiarize yourself with the timeline indicators that show when notes were added to each version. Always remember to save your settings after making any adjustments. Your Framed.io setup for review notes and version tracking is now complete. You can begin your collaborative review process seamlessly and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.